The African National Congress, or ANC, is facing renewed legal and political pressure after the Eastern Cape High Court dismissed its application for leave to appeal in a case involving the appointment of the party's Provincial Task Team, commonly known as the PTT. The ruling is significant because it upholds the court's earlier decision that the appointment of the Eastern Cape PTT did not comply with the ANC's own constitution and internal guidelines. According to the court, the appointment was unlawful, invalid, and had no legal effect. Members of the PPT had previously been barred from presenting themselves at the official provincial leadership. In the latest judgment, the court rejected the ANC's attempt to challenge that decision. Judge Vuyokazi Nontembu found that the applicants failed to demonstrate reasonable prospects of success on the appeal. The court also dismissed the related application and ordered the ANC and other applicants to pay legal costs. One of the key findings was that the case did not depend on disputed facts, but on the interpretation of the ANC's own constitution. The judge stated that there were no real factual disputes requiring resolution and concluded that the party had failed to meet the constitutional requirements necessary to establish the Provincial Task Team. One of the key findings was that the case did not depend on disputed facts, but on the interpretation of the ANC's own constitution. The judge stated that there were no real factual disputes requiring resolution and concluded that the party had failed to meet the constitutional requirements necessary to establish the Provincial Task Team. The judgment also highlighted the contradiction in the ANC's legal arguments. During the original proceedings, the party maintained that the Provincial Executive Committee had not been dissolved. However, during the appeal process, it relied on different evidence suggesting that the committee had in fact been resolved. The court found this position to be inconsistent. Another important point raised by the judge was that the ANC attempted to introduce a new argument during the appeal by claiming that the Provincial Executive Committee was disinfactional. The court rejected this argument because it had not been presented during the original hearing. Politically, the ruling raises fresh questions about decision-making within the ANC and the administration led by Secretary-General Fikile Mbalula. Critics argue that repeated court defeats involving internal party governance may affect public confidence and place greater pressure on the party to strengthen compliance with its own constitutional processes. While the ANC may still consider its legal and political options, this judgment represents another important chapter in an ongoing dispute over party governance and internal accountability. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful and want more balanced coverage of South African politics and major national development, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next updates.